Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming carrier roaming rules and limits so you avoid surprise charges. Once done, compare costs and buy a local eSIM or international plan if it saves money. Keep your home SIM safe. Turn on airplane mode to prevent accidental roaming, then enable Wi-Fi to test connectivity. This proves the network works. Make sure to take screenshots of plan details and APN settings now, because you'll need them in the next steps when enabling mobile data or swapping SIMs. Now you install the eSIM profile or insert the local SIM and reboot your device so settings apply. Next, set the APN and enable data roaming and choose the appropriate network mode, such as 4G or 5G on auto to balance speed and battery. Once connected, open your carrier or plan app to confirm the network and remaining allowance, monitor usage, and set alerts at half and near full thresholds. This prevents unexpected cutoffs and helps you manage cost while abroad. Finish by securing your connection. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi and disable auto connect to unknown networks so you stay private and safe. If mobile data fails, toggle airplane mode, reselect the carrier network manually, or re-enter the APN settings and restart the phone. These steps usually restore service. Make sure you have a backup like a portable hotspot or second local SIM to share data. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your MA and plan details for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.